Habang nagla-live, Sir Abdo, you come in Kuracha live tomorrow because tomorrow is birthday of Ma'am Kuracha. She has a grand LS. Yes, Lala Lauren, 7 p.m. Start kainan sa gilid ng White House. Wow. Kami, Sir Nad, may baon. Okay. Babyong gitara tunog kanina. Ayan. Uy, maganda kayang tunog kanina nun, Sir Nad. Sir Abdo, there is too much game there. There is too much banana and flows bad. Bad flows na. Bukra. Bukra, flows. Ada kuracha sawi sawi ilap. Ha sana all Paris ni Diwata daw. Overload. Maganda naman talaga. Yeah. Would you like me to come with Kuracha? Yeah, you come up. Tomorrow you come up, ha? Sir Abdo, galing mo mag-Arabic, sisi. Tagal na ako dito sa Kuwait, sisi ko. More than 10 years na. Sir Abdo, I had a live Mama Kuracha. Huwa hati hada link mini. Badin inti sa weekly kada link. Badin inti rufog, ma live. Yes, of course, my friend Abdo Kayat. Kain tayo kay Diwata sa pag-uwi mo. Yes. Ano ba yun doon, Sisi Kuy, kay Diwata? Mayaman na si Mary Cute. Inshallah. Sir Lawrence, inshallah. Shukran katir. Intiro fog tumubukra, Sir Abdo. Intiro fog mga live mga kuracha. Okay. 1 hour na ako. Sir Lawrence, inshallah. Yaman na. So, I'm going to leave now. I'm going to end. I live in Farwania. Paris overload at sa aking joy. Nakaintindi lang ako ng Arab. Di ako okay. Okay, Paris overload. Inshallah. Yeah. I will wait for you, upstairs tomorrow, Ma'am Kuracha, Sir Abdo, Ano yun? Ingat ka sa work, Sisikoy. Sige na, bye-bye. For 1 year nga ako nakatira sa Kuwait. Why? You want to come in Kuwait? Char. Joke lang. Ingat ka, Sisikoy, sa work. For manya. For 1 year. I'm always with you, miss. Bye, Sisikoy. Ingat. Sir Abdo, bye-bye. Thank you for support. Ma'am Kuracha, thank you so much. And Sisikoy Chris Montejo, thank you so much. Sisikoy Chris, 100 lang na ibigay ko that time kasi naubusan ako ng banana. Waiting po ako ng banana. Hay, bigyan kita. Farwania. F-A-R-Y. Farwania. Ingat, Sisikoy. Ma'am Kuracha, thank you. Sino pa ba nandyan? Sisikoy Boy Kulit, thank you so much. Sisikoy My Love, thank you so much. Sir Lauren, thank you for always supporting me in my live. And Sir Abdo, love you all. Sino pa ang pumunta? Si Miss Carla pumunta din. Sino pa? Carla Colombo, thank you. Marlon, thank you so much. Pumunta si Marlon Who else? Si Sikoy Lovely Pink, thank you so much. I'm going to end na, ha? See you tomorrow. Enjoy your day po, mamos. Thank you. I-enjoy kong kabisihan, Sir Lawrence. Uy, 2 lang bayo kami. 1:1 kami ngayon. So, I will be busy. Thank you so much. Love you all. Ay, ibaba pala kita. Sisikoy. Baka masungkit ka ni Just enjoy your work. Yeah, I will enjoy.